360 Juice here back with another video for you guys. If you watched the video that I dropped yesterday, you know that I said I was gonna try some. And if you haven't watched that video yet, I'm gonna have it up here somewhere. Watch it, then after you finish watching it, come to this video. So yesterday I was just showing you guys me unboxing my 100,000 subscriber YouTube silver play button. And I said that I was gonna use it to brush my hair. The little mirror in it is just so clear and I could see myself so clearly through it. And I'm just like, what if I use the silver play button instead of my mirror to do a brush session? We're gonna try that. So without further ado, let's jump right into this video.
They know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it.
Yeah, I know. I need a shape up, guys. I know. Don't come crazy for me in the comments, man. I know y'all be doing that. Y'all be trying to come crazy for me in the comments. But I'm gonna shape up on the 30th, so stay tuned. So, what I'm gonna do, right? Usually I'll take this oil. I'm only gonna use the oil. I'm not gonna make this little, you know, too much, like adding moisturizer inside. I'm just gonna use the oil. This is just an experiment. And I'm not gonna apply the oil in my hands because I don't wanna like mark up the plaque or the play button. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna get, and if you guys are wondering what type of oil is this, I'm gonna have it linked in my description. This is a 2,6 King Wavy oil. And in order to open it, it doesn't open, you know, just by doing this. You have to push it down. You know, the little medicines and stuff is just like that. So it's baby proof. So I'm just gonna do this, and I'm just gonna apply it to my hair, man. Just like that. Cause I definitely don't wanna apply it to my hands and have my award looking all crazy with oil on it. Alright, so now that I got it all over my hair, usually I'll pick up the mirror, you know, just to brush with it. But we're not gonna do that today. Today, we're gonna do a little something different. Make sure my hands is, you know, white. Cool. I'm gonna pick up the silver play button. I gotta make sure I don't drop that joint. Alright, so I'm trying to see how I'm gonna do this, alright? I can see, man. It's not working, yo. Let me see. Bro, I can see myself in the mirror. You see this little mirror right here? Y'all see it, right? I gotta clean this up afterwards, you know. I don't want to put my fingerprint on that junk. It's actually clearer than my actual mirror. Like, it's super clear. Now I'm gonna switch it up a little bit to the other side. Wipe my hands down. Am I the first YouTuber to do this? I don't know. Have you guys ever seen any other YouTuber that has over 100,000 subscribers brush their hair with their plaque mirror? Bro, this is crazy. This is actually a challenge, man, because it's very hard. The mirror is very small, so it's very hard to actually align it right to see it. Hey man, you know what, forget this. This is so hard. I challenge every YouTuber out there that has a plaque to freaking brush your hair with this little mirror in the middle. This is gonna be the hard part, right? I'm gonna have to grip this so I can see my crown. Y'all see this? This is what I'm doing right now. I'm trying to see my crown. It's so small, I could barely see it, man. I gotta look at the big mirror. Y'all see, it's a bigger mirror right here. I bet y'all can see. Alright, this is what I'm doing right now, bro. Oh, I don't want this junk to slip and fall. It's over if it does. If this falls, I'ma cry. Yeah. I don't want to try that one. So the way I'm gonna brush my crown is just gonna be like this. Yeah, this time I'm gonna brush my crown. Alright, y'all. That's it. I ain't gonna go too far with that junk. My hands getting a little tired. My fingers getting a little slippery. Next thing you know, that junk gonna slip, fall, break, and I'm gonna be in tears, bro. Cause that's gonna be crazy. Alright, you guys, that's it for this video. Once again, I am so grateful for this, you feel me, this plaque right here. Any other YouTubers out there, like I said, if you guys got a plaque, use that plaque, brush your hair. Matter of fact, it don't even matter if you're a waiver or not. Even if you're not a waiver, use that junk and, you know, brush your hair with it. Let's make this a challenge, alright? I challenge you watching this video. If you have 100,000 plus, use your play button, brush your hair with it. Even if you don't got waves, give it a try. Tag me. I don't know what you want to do. Give it a try and see if you can do it, alright? And also, if you guys are wondering where I get this do-rag from, I get it from 26kingwavymerch.com. Linked in my description. You can use discount code JUICE15 to get 15% off. So go ahead and get your do-rags and your other hair care products before they're sold out. Don't wait. Do it ASAP. I appreciate y'all for watching this video. Please don't forget to leave a like, comment. If you're new to my channel, smash that subscribe button for me. On our way to 300K, it's your boy 360 Juice, and I'm out of here. Peace.